everybody and welcome to today's video. So today's just an impromptu new bits, things I've been liking recently, you know. So there we go. I'm going to start off with something that is a major fail, and I haven't even realised it till someone mentioned Wayne Goss's video. Now, I'm nearly finished. I've practically gone through this entire bottle. And do you remember in a couple of videos ago, I was saying, why is my skin breaking out? I don't know why my skin's breaking out. I don't know what's going on. It's going mad. Then someone pointed me towards the Wayne Goss video, and he was saying that he'd been using this and he was breaking out. And he couldn't figure out what it was with his products. And I was like, oh my goodness, that's exactly the same thing I've had. I've been using this for months and I couldn't understand why my skin was so bad. I get, you know, occasionally breakouts and blemishes, but you kind of know your skin. And I was like, hang on a minute, my skin's never been this bad for so long. And I was absolutely losing my mind over it. I thought, what is going on? I finally bought my IS Clinical face wash because I just thought perhaps it might be this, or perhaps I didn't think that it was this. I just didn't enjoy using this. I didn't feel like it did anything. And, you know, lo and behold, my skin started clearing up after that. But then someone pointed me towards his video, and when he said that, I was like, what? That's insane. This is the blemish control cleanser. Some people don't have a problem with it apparently. So he was saying, you know, say down below whether you've got issues with it or not. And some people were like, it's cleared up my skin. And loads of other people were like, yes, it's broken me out. So if you see my Bare Minerals OG video, look at my skin. My skin is so awful. And I just washed my face with this. And I couldn't figure out. And I'm so glad I've figured it out now, because it was driving me insane. I thought it was my vitamin C. I stopped using the vitamin C. I thought it was, and what it was, like, I'd use my glycolic overnight, or my retinol overnight, and I'd wake up, my skin was so nice. I'd be like, oh my God, my skin looks lovely. And I'd wash my face and I'd be like, oh, like something in it reacts. I don't know what it is, but something in here reacts. Anyway, it's only taken me to go through the entire bottle to figure it out. But hey ho, in other news, I showed you the ROCHE-POSAY, a few products that I got from them that I liked. The moisturizer. Well, I decided to pick up the sunscreen. It's the EFFACLAR Duo SPF 30, and it's an anti-imperfections, anti-UV, unclogging care, which I really like because I just use a serum in the morning, and then this is effectively a moisturizer. It's very good. Corrects the appearance of imperfections. So I'm using this at the moment, and it's SPF 30, but 30 and 50 are near enough the same kind of level. I do like it, but if you don't, it's still, for someone that's got blemish, oily skin, it's quite, and maybe that's because, quite thick, let me finish my sentence. Maybe it's because I've been using the Beauty of Joseon and the other one that I find it very thick, but it's not. It's more like a moisturizing lotion. It smells lovely. It goes on the skin very nicely. Makeup applies really nicely over the top of it. So it's a really nice one to have, and it's, you know, cost effective as well. But yeah, I don't know if I would purchase this one. I feel like it's really moisturizing, which is weird because it's for blemish prone skin, but it doesn't break me out. There we go. It doesn't break. So if you need a sunscreen that's not going to break you out, an everyday sunscreen, you know, and you're wearing makeup and whatever, then this is a really good one to try. Then I've picked up my usual Summer Revival body. I love this. I dog walk, obviously, and my arms are brown. My shoulders are white. The rest of my body's white, but my arms are really, really brown. Everywhere I go, like, oh, you're tanned, and I'm like, yep, yeah, I'm walking the dog. So I thought I need something to kind of even everything out. And I was going to get a tan, but I really can't be bothered with the faff of the mitt and the this and the that. This, for me, has always been a winner. It makes my legs brown like that. I get the medium to dark. And it's a gradual body lotion. It smells really nice. It's intensely moisturising. I put this on the other day when it was like the hottest day of the year, like 32 degrees or something. And this was just, I was slipping and sliding all over the shop with this on. So it's probably one to put on before bed because it's very moisturizing, but it works very nicely on legs. So at the moment, I'm just using this on my legs because my arms are so brown. It's like I go in the shower and I'm like, oh, I'm two different people basically. But I like this because it's easy, you know, it's easy to use. It's, yeah, I know, yeah. So highly recommend. It's got a lovely apricot smell. Then also new in, I've been loving this top. Sweaty Betty's have got a 50% sale. I think they're up to 60% now. So I got this top in the sale. It's really cute, little, you know, ruche like that because, you know, for my walks in the morning. And then I got a pair of leggings as well. Look at these. Oh my God. And I got my nails done today specifically to match my leggings. And I just thought this is a really nice combo, you know? And you know I love a bit of leopard print. Ooh! I'm wearing my other Sweaty Betties at the moment. These ones, they're the black embossed. Love them. I live in Sweaty Betty. If you live in the countryside and you dog walk, you're going to be wearing, you know, activewear. And I love it. I love, you know, pottering around in my, you know, my activewear and, oh, and this is just gorgeous. Look at the print of this. And, you know, Sweaty Betty's expensive. So to get 50% off is brilliant. I couldn't, this is just gorgeous, isn't it? And I wear it with my leopard print New Balance and oof, very nice. Although I don't look like this in the morning on the morning dog walk because I roll out of bed at like 6 o'clock. And this, I'll show you what I wear actually. This is what I'll wear at like 10 o'clock when I'm going for a coffee, you know? But I'll show you what I wear when I roll out of bed in the morning. And you've seen me wear this before, but I'm aware that I never even showed it. So my dog wakes me up at 6 o'clock. I roll out of bed. I put on a pair of joggers and this sweatshirt here. This is Adenola. And I wore this in another video. This is an oversized sweatshirt, and this is, I think I got this in the size extra small, and it is huge. Absolutely, can you see how huge this is? It's massive. It's oversized, but it's perfect because the first thing in the morning, you get up and you're a bit, you know, you come out of your warm bed, so you're a bit chilly. I just throw this on and a pair of joggers, and I'm good to go. The quality of this is beautiful. I mean, this I got this for about, I think it's 50 something, but you know, when you go to websites and you give your email, they give you 10% off, and that's how I always buy everything. So I got it for about, I think 46 or something. But the quality of I mean, it's heavy, it's weighty, it's very weighty, so the quality is good. I like the sort of logo on the front. It goes with everything. I don't wear this to, you know, go for a coffee or anything. I literally just wear it for my walk. That's what I got it for because it's kind of too warm for jackets and coats. But for me, I can't first thing in the morning just go out in a t-shirt. It's just, you know, I need something on. I need a sweatshirt. So this has been perfect and I love it. So if you've been thinking about getting one, get one. I always roll up the sleeves like this. And yes, it's oversized, but it depends. Like, it's great for like a Sunday morning if you want to just, if you just want to look, I have to look. Oh, look at this. Whee! It's great for a Sunday morning if you want to just like get your sunglasses on, go and get a cup of coffee, you know? Feeling comfortable. So, yes. That's about it really, I think. What else have I been loving? Looking at my makeup. Nothing new on the makeup front, but I have an Amazon haul. Now, it's not, I hate these videos. They're like, top 5 things from Amazon. It's just so annoying. I've ordered some stuff on Amazon that I want to show you. And in particular, the Coty Airspun powder. I've seen, because this is a translucent powder, and you know I used to love the Max Factor translucent, which they've completely changed, discontinued. That powder was amazing. It was like flesh toned. And you know, when I look back through old videos and oh, what was that powder I used, la-di-da. Can't find that powder anywhere. I looked on Amazon and I found Coty Airspun, but There's one called Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage. What? Extra coverage? To me, that sounds very similar to the Max Factor in the black pot. So I've bought that, and I've also bought, I'm going to tell you now, but I will show you, a little zingy thing, to like hair removal, face removal thing, because, and I know I mentioned this before, when you're using exfoliants and retinols and things like that, you cannot wax. And the other day I decided to wax my top lip because, you know, it needed doing. And my goodness, I broke out horribly. That's the thing. Not only are you sensitive, but I don't know about you, I break out when I get waxed. Like eyebrows, whatever, break out. But I wanted it to get rid of all this peach fuzz along my face because it's just driving me nutso. So I've ordered that, and yeah, that's all I've ordered actually. And like the other lame things I bought, like my gel socks. So yes, Birdie says hello. Oh, what's this? And I think that's about it really. I'm so glad you enjoyed my clothing video, because that's a hard one to make, wasn't it? But really, most days I'm in my activewear, you know? I just feel most comfortable like that. I don't know, do you? In like sort of leggings and whatnot. Anyway, I hope you're well. Let me know what else you'd like to see. What else you'd like to see from me. I need to clear up this table. I also need to take the doggo for a walk. That's why he's, you know, haranguing me. And yeah, that's it. I hope you're doing well. And I shall see you in my next video. Ta-da!